So, welcome everybody. Um, Today we're looking at Marvel app, which is a good platform for prototyping any type of project, whether it's app, um, website, or anything that's digital or if you want to prototype that is going to be on a mobile space or a web interface or something of that department. So right now we're on the project page, which is the page that comes up right after you log in. Um, it's very simple, very easy interface to navigate through. The first thing that we're going to do is that you would do is you can click create project, and it allows you to name your project, give the project a password. Um, you can pick whatever interface that you want to work on. Matters iPhone, iPad, Android, even Apple Watch, and then you can create the project. Today we're gonna click a past project that we're doing for a starter competition, which is a prototype that I use to pitch my idea. So once you click create a project, it will take you to a screen like this where you will add your interfaces. You have to create your interfaces before you use Marvel app. Marvel app is only to make your interfaces interactive and put them onto one space to showcase how these interfaces work together as one. So first, you just click add images, and you add each interface that you want to use. Um, there's the great thing is that it's connected to cloud storage formatting, so you can use Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box, which is amazing because a lot of teams use these. So you can have that. Another part about teamwork is that it's connected with Slack, and you also can add people just by using emails or invite people within this project. So that's awesome. So once you get into that, you click add image. You add image, it will showcase right here, and you can edit it. Once you edit the image, you'll put a hotspot on the interactive aspects of each part of the app. So these are two buttons and the settings button. And when you make the hotspot, it shows you the destination. What's the next page or next image you go to. So for the buttons, I use a loader screen. For my loader screen, I created a GIF to get the best feeling of how it looks. For my settings, it went to the settings page, and I click the transition to slide to the right. So you can click as transition or an action for whatever hotspot. For this specific page, I actually linked the back page to the home. I linked the settings to the settings page. Same. And for this one, I actually linked this, which is a gas app. So I linked it to the specific actual location of that gas station, which is in my hometown. So that actually wowed the people that I pitched the company or idea to in the startup competition because it was fully functional and actually linked to a specific place or a specific space in real life to give my users the best experience of how this application will actually work. So that's why I think this is really cool. Cool platform and cool thing to use as a tool for Excel. Because one, as a project leader, you can use it because you can invite all your teams. And two, as a pitching to a client, so you want to showcase a product. These interfaces are not super hard to make up, but it gives your client or users that you want to do user testing for before you do the development of the actual application, how it actually works, and they can get feedback on it to make improvements. But once you finish uploading interfaces and doing the hotspots over the interfaces and showing the location that you want these hotspots to go to, you're all finished. You can actually click play to see how it actually worked all together. So this is screen that comes up. You can kind of mess around with it. best friend. Once you feel like the project is to the standard that you want it to be, you can share it. Give you opportunity URL, send it through email, embed it to a site. And then the great one is user testing. You can connect it to look back. Look back, you actually can see in real time as your users interact with the prototype. So that's really, really, really cool for user testing. You can download it, and then once you finish that and get the user testing, it allows you to do comments too, which is good. So on this screen right here, you share people that view the specific application can leave comments on what they like. So that's good for user testing also. So overall, I just really like this tool for prototyping for anyone that's into project management or working with clients with this. You can showcase what the prototype will actually look like and give them a very, very, very good idea of what the outcome would be. But also, you can do user testing without actually having to develop of the whole application, which can take a long time. So this is a quick way to put some interfaces out, connect the interfaces, make them interactive, and showcase a prototype really quickly. So thank you, and hopefully you can try out a couple of my prototypes that I've made and make your own. Good night.